Hey Sydney, if you're listening closely, you can hear Bad to the Bone playing in the background. You know what we got here? We got a Schindler HT!
Oh yeah.
The best elevator in mankind. You guys going up?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, we'll take it up first.
Yes, perfect.
Typical Schindler. Hot in here. Motor. There you go.
Alright.
Sorry, Nick.
You're welcome.
We can go to the basement.
We can.
Yeah, it does. Actually, yep. That was a nice dry-powered motor. Perfect.
You can replace the motor, but you can't remove the Schindler
that
from
is
it.
terribly slow. I couldn't.
Oh, what the freak? What happened to the rail?
Gone. And the cab is messed up.
I want to know if you could hear the music playing in the basement. I don't think there's
There's a
music.
slight door gap too. I noticed.
There used to be a camera right there, but they got rid of
Yeah,
it.
no, I remember. This thing is incredibly slow. Ooh.
No calls, so we're good.
Oh yeah, if they called it, the lantern would ring or light up. This thing takes forever to light up.
Average. Oh my god, I thought those were people.
Oh, nice jump scare. Alright, we'll get it started up.
Yeah, we're gonna start with the doors closed.
Up to 2.
Alright, here we go. Shh.
Now it's gonna
Yep.
perfect timing.
How's the music? I can still hear.
Oh yeah. There it goes. Alright. Now the bridge is here and the elevator's right outside.
Oh, the song changed. Oh man. I'm still sending that to my friend though. Might as well get both elevators in the same video.
Yeah. I mean,
This is the only MT left surviving.
oh, it's here too. Incredible.
This is the only original elevator left, the 330A.
They have the 2 RTs by the orange deck. Okay. MT. Oh, this thing's disgusting.
Of course it is. Oh my goodness. I like the button.
That got replaced.
That
The
button
2
got
button got
sunbaked.
replaced. And there's no handrails.
Just this one.
Yep. Just this one in the back. Very nice. Perfect. The 2 button doesn't even light up. It was replaced and it still doesn't even light
This
up.
one actually has a phone.
Yep.
The red deck doesn't. Well, now it does, but you know.
Oh, this is like under leveled. That's a bit crazy.
Button's upside down on this floor.
Oh, we love this paint job. Up to 2. And the alarm actually works. It does. Okay, up to the 3.
Motor.
Oh, this panel's coming off.
Is it?
Yep. That's not good.
At least the ride quality is decent.
Yeah, it's better than Bloomingdale's. Like, honestly. And there's your indicator.
Which says 3 for some reason.
Oh, shoot. I pressed both buttons by accident.
But we're getting off here.
Oh, yeah. Well,
We can watch it from the outside.
alright.
Ah.
Those doors sound terrible, though.
Ooh, there it goes. You can see it going down. All right. Yeah, that's it.